All right, everyone, we are on day 2. We're going to go ahead and pull the valve cover off because it kind of looks all messed up there. We're going to go ahead and powder coat it back to black and probably see if we can either paint or powder coat this PGM FI cover. It's a dual point cover. We need it all off. We're going to adjust the valves. We're waiting on the parts to come in, and we'll go from there. All right, we got the valve cover off, and we got this little cover here loose. See down in there, it's filled with carbon, so we're gonna get all this cleaned out. Definitely a 300,000 mile motor. That thing is disgusting looking in there. And doesn't look too good down there, but we're gonna really try and clean everything out that we can. The camshafts, or the camshaft, sorry, looks pretty decent. There ain't no scarring on there. Just a lot of old oil marks from sitting for so long. So what we're gonna do is probably adjust the valves, get everything clean the best we can with a vacuum cleaner and some brake clean, get the valve cover powder coated, and probably do a valve adjustment. So we got the valve cover off as well. And we're gonna go ahead and just strip it down with some paint stripper, and hopefully it comes out good. All right, we got the valve cover paint stripped off of it. It came off pretty good. Some oxidation on there, but we don't think it'll hurt the powder coat. So we're gonna get it finished, taped off, all prepped up, and get it sprayed down. All right, there we have it. We finished powder coating the valve cover. It didn't come out too bad at all. There are some small spots. This is a matte finish, and then we're gonna sand down the lettering there, but there are some small spots we'll fill in with maybe a paint marker or something, but overall it came out really, really nice. Way better than what the 30-year-old crusty oxidized valve cover looked like. We're gonna get this other thing prepped. All right, we got the valve cover and the injector covers here, nice and powder coated. Came out pretty good, pretty decent. We were able to save that 30-year-old sticker too. I know you can get them new, but why buy it new if you can save it? So we'll just wait for the ignition parts to come in now, and that'll be in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.